XUNTOP has sent me this digital angle finder. So, if I'm understanding this product correctly, it's a level, I think. Or, well, saying it's just a level is probably not fair, but it's supposed to help you, find an angle. But let's look and see how to use it and if there's anything more beyond that, I guess. So, first of all, there's some contents, English and other languages. So, a couple of buttons, product features, technical stuff, how to use some of the buttons, different modes. That looks to be it. So, I think this is kind of interesting. It's not like in the center, kind of in an angle. Also, maybe there's a charging cable down there. So, let's actually find out. Yep, kind of. So, that's pretty neat. A little case for the angle finder that you can put on your belt, and USB-C cable. Always getting a lot of those. So here's the label, or not the label, I'm sorry, the angle finder itself. So let's turn it on and see. Error, makes sense. I'm not really trying to find an angle. I don't know, let's put it here. Does that do anything? Yeah, see, there we go. So if you can't really see it, but right there it says level. Let me bring this up. So yeah, so working with it, I mean, you can try to get it as level as possible. Let's try to get it to its angle setting, tilt. That's not doing it. So level, if we hit 0, maybe it's meant for the angle stuff. Let me quickly see if I can find out how to get it to the angle setting, and we'll look at it then. Okay, I'm honestly having a really hard time kind of figuring this out. There's hopefully a video on how to, or one that better explains this, but I guess what I'm finding very quickly, so there's a couple of ways to use the hold and tilt button, like a long press and a short press, you can see here. So that does a couple of different things. There's a 0 button, which I believe just sets the like relative 0, and that's also important with calibrating and I think, yeah, so recalibration, and you do that when the power is off. But a couple of things that I found when trying to fix it, so let's see, maybe this will do something. But so showing it off like this, come on, be straight. So if we hold 0 like that, so I think usually pressing it maybe does something, but just trying to show it off, as we angle it, it's kind of changing. But let's hold or hit level again, kind of showing the level. Long press this percentage button, I think it's supposed to do something, so not entirely sure. See, so short pressing, it turns on the hold, which holds it. I don't know why it took me so long to figure that out, but the percentage might mean relative hold. Let me actually make sure. Okay, yeah, looking over the instructions, I'm still not sure about what the percentage is, but so just showing it off as we turn it might be self-explanatory, but the arrows show that, like, if it's down, that means this side is lower, this side is higher. But interestingly, when you kind of flip it over, it gets back to like the same level, or what am I trying to say? Like the text flips so you can read it. So trying to show this on camera, kind of hard to see. There's one, kind of saw it that time, but only other thing, I mean, nothing really on the sides, and on the back is the charging port. So there's a quick look at that. Hope that gives you a good idea on how to use this. I would hope that you're more familiar with how to use it than I am, or you're better at just learning instructions. But if not, There's probably instructions online, and feels nice and lightweight, but also compact with weight in that regard to where it feels quality made. So pick one up if you're needing a good angle finder.